Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just finished creating this cute Bohemian inspired traveler's notebook. It is a pocket size, so this is a complete flip through. It is available for sale in my Etsy shop, so if you're interested, see the link below. Here there is a pocket adhesive with 2 cards. There is a shaker dashboard along with a die cut that says it's a big day and a paper clip arrow and a magnetic page holder that says it's my day. That is the first insert. The second insert, there is a cute leaf paper clip. There is a total of 3 inserts in this TN. Here is the page marker, which is an adorable elephant that says, "Sometimes I forget." This page marker is laminated and it has a pen. I try to use the colors as much bohemian as I could. I look for paisleys, I look for the hues. Here is another paper clip that says happy with an arrow. And the last paper clip, it's a sun. On the back it says hello gorgeous, which I absolutely love. And the final is a 2-pocket laminated folder. It does have a washi sample card and a couple of die cuts. And on the other side, it has some stickers and hearts. Now I love the material of this TN. It is a hard, durable plastic. I absolutely love the way it feels. And I definitely love the way it looks. So if you're interested, it is available for sale in my Etsy shop. If it's no longer listed, it's because it's been sold. Well, I hope I inspired you to create one of your own. And thanks so much for spending your time with me. If you like what you saw, comment below, give it a like. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, and God bless.